Hello my friends, welcome back. Leanna here. Welcome to today's Winter Wonderland look. This is a multi-channel collab featuring many amazing channels. There were so many channels that wanted to participate. We ended up having two groups. I will have both groups listed down in the description box below with a link to each of the playlists. I am in group 1. The other ladies in group 1 are Real Lady Electrician, Blessed GMP, Becky's Empty Nest, Beautifying EmZee, and Agoraphobic and Loves Makeup. This amazing collab is being hosted by Laurie Latimer, fondly known as Sis Fantastic. The ladies in group 2 are Jamie Jerozzy, Andi Does Stuff, Laurie Latimer, Bonnie's Bargains, and Sabrina's Unboxings and more. So Laurie challenged us to create a Winter Wonderland look using only 3 colors, and those colors are blue, silver, and white. I believe that all of the channels are doing a giveaway, so you can go down in the description box, click on the playlist, go around and watch all of the other channels' videos and enter their giveaways by following the rules for their channel. I will be doing a giveaway on my channel and we will discuss that coming up later in the video. Now, let me explain why I already have my look completed. I have no idea where the rest of the footage is that I shot. I got done. I clicked on the button to download everything to my computer and it's gone. I don't know what happened to it. So I don't even have, I had put away all the makeup that I used. I'll try to remember exactly what I used. I don't know, y'all. I have the last 2 clips that I did where I talked about, I don't know. So, but, I mean, you know, I decided to do a fantasy look and it took a very long time. I was doing the video kind of showing you what I was doing and the phone rang and I stopped and I explained all of that in the clip that I actually downloaded from the camera. So there we go. Nobody wanted to edit 2 hours of video, which is what I say at the end. So here is my look that I'll show you more of at the end of the video. So here's the final look. This is my interpretation of a Winter Wonderland. So, here's what happened. I was showing y'all, you know, and then the phone rang. It was a friend of mine. And she was talking, and I never stopped putting my makeup on. I just kept on going, and yeah, so that's what happened. Which is probably a good thing because this took me 2 hours. Ain't nobody got time to edit a 2-hour video. Especially when it is now 1:54 a.m. So, I'm excited about it though. I got to get my creative juju going. Look at these blue lips. I like it. Indeed. So let's talk about the giveaway. It would be perfect if this bag were blue, but it's pink. It's on the other end of the spectrum, but that's okay. This is a Laura Geller makeup bag, and it is filled with mysterious winter goodies. I'm not going to tell you what's in it. So, in order to enter to win my giveaway, all of the rules are down in the description. I'm not going to say all of those rules because it takes a long time and I forget stuff. Just to glaze over the important things, you have to be 18 years of age or older. You have to live in the continental United States or Canada. I will do Canada. And you have to be publicly subscribed to all of the channels in Group 1, the group that I am in. Make sure you read all of the rest of the giveaway rules. And you have to leave the word I'm going to give you in the comments in a complete sentence. That word is going to be Parson Brown. Because I was going to tell you about how Winter Wonderland, the song, came to be, a little bit of the history, and we were going to talk about whether or not Parson Brown was a real person. But the phone rang. So, thank you so much, Laurie, for hosting this amazing collab and letting me be a part of it with all the rest of these amazing women. I appreciate you. Please make sure that you go check out all of the other channels' videos so that you can see how they interpreted a Winter Wonderland look. Don't forget you have to be subscribed to all the channels in Group 1. You can also go enjoy all of the videos in Group 2 and find out what their giveaway rules are. Also, let me know in the comments what you think about my look. These lips are matching this blue hair that's supposed to be purple. I appreciate all of you coming and hanging out with me to not watch me put on this Winter Wonderland look. If you're new here, my name is Leanna. I'm so glad that you stopped by. If you enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel and it sure would make my day. And as usual, I would like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup out and play with it. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, this blue lipstick, when I go, makes me think of a bluegill. Oh, you got a silly mama, boy. Anyway, get you some blue lipstick. It'll help you catch the bluegill. Mama loves you, boo.